Do you want less snore and more cuddle? Most people do, and that's why so many are sleeping well night after night and feeling better day after day. Thanks to our unique Cuddle Zone systems. Only the Cuddle Zone unlocks the power of uncompromising sleep and comfort. Imagine having a staycation every night in your own home without compromising what you each need and want. No more sleeping in separate rooms because of nighttime noise pollution. No more twin beds shoved together with a Grand Canyon in the middle. Less snore, more cuddle systems featuring the Cuddle Zone are your secret weapon to increase happiness, lift your mood, increase productivity, enhance your romantic life, and improve your relationship. Mr. and Mrs. 1 know it's true. Mr. and Mrs. 2 do too. And Mr. and Mrs. 3, well, they've kissed compromise goodbye with the Cuddle Zone system that's perfect for both of them. Come to Gardner's Mattress and More to experience for yourself what less snore, more cuddle can mean for you. And when you complete a personal appointment with us, you'll receive a pair of his and hers custom-fit, custom-made pillows and exceptional value, free, with no obligation to buy anything. Once you discover the perfect fit for your personalized sleep needs and the exceptional value Gardner's gives you, it's an easy next step to investing in a less snore, more cuddle system.
With your purchase, you'll receive a significant discount, plus a free Sleep Essentials Starter Package, another exceptional value. Or with approved credit, take advantage of free no-interest financing for up to 60 months. Just sign, sleep, and dream. Want to learn more about your sleep issues right away? Read our free book, Sleep Better. If you deal with snoring problems, text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. Aches and pains? Text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you're done compromising, text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. We'll send you free information instantly.
Plus, your free copy of Sleep Better will be on its way to you. Let us show you the joy of sleeping well, staying well, and living a better life. Come to Gardner's and discover what our complete sleep experience is all about.